Communication training is everywhere. Organizations invest heavily in communication training. Employees attend workshops on presentation skills, confidence, active listening, and professional writing. Participants often leave with useful techniques and positive feedback. Yet many organizations continue to experience the same frustrations: project delays, recurring misunderstandings, departmental friction, customer complaints, and repeated audit findings. This raises an important question. If communication training is so common, why do communication problems continue to occur? The wrong assumption. Many communication programs are built on the assumption that communication problems exist because people struggle to communicate effectively. If individuals learn to speak more clearly, write better emails, and present with greater confidence, communication should improve. In reality, many workplace communication failures occur between highly capable communicators. The issue is often not how information is delivered. The issue is how information is interpreted. When successful meetings create problems. Consider a project meeting where decisions are made, actions are assigned, and everyone appears to agree. Nothing feels wrong. Several weeks later, however, different departments discover they have been working towards different expectations. Nobody deliberately ignored instructions, and nobody intended to create confusion. The problem emerged because people left the same meeting with different assumptions about what had been agreed. The meeting was successful. The understanding was not. The problem beneath the problem. Many organizational issues that appear to be performance, quality, or process problems actually have communication at their root. Hidden assumptions, unclear expectations, and differing interpretations can quietly develop into operational challenges long before anyone recognizes what is happening. General communication training often improves delivery. The deeper challenge lies in helping organizations identify and manage communication risk before it affects performance. Looking beyond speaking skills. Clear communication will always matter. However, organizations operating across departments, functions, cultures, and countries need more than confident speakers. They need systems that create shared understanding. Because organizations rarely suffer because nobody communicated. More often, they suffer because everybody believed communication had been successful.